Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about the Generation Z, digital natives. We have a quote in here. Our mission at World Web is to help make the world more open and connected. Mark Zuckerberg, American entrepreneur. This is a quote about the Generation Z. Okay, the slide one, we talk about who are Gen Z, also known as Zoomers. Sometimes we call the Generation Z Boomers and Zoomers, and born between 1995 and 2009. They were born in these years. Follow millennials, preceded, and Generations Alpha, follow millennials preceded by Alpha, mostly children of Generation X. Yeah. Okay. The second slide, we are talking about growing up online. First generation raised with internet and mobile tech from childhood. They grow up with technology and internet. Yeah. Called digital natives, thought not always digitally literate. They are growing up with digital natives, but it doesn't mean they are digitally literate. Higher screen time effects in teens. Teenagers effects bad and third slide, lifestyle, behavior, and subcultures. Less hedonistic, more career school focus, and they less hedonistic, and they caring about schools and their workers. Use less alcohol, but necessarily fewer drugs. And youth subcultures exist, but are quieter. This is cultures that, yeah. Nostalgia is a strong cultural them. Okay, we have another slide. Health and mental wellness. Higher rates of allergies, mental health issues, and sleep deprivation. They are sleeping late, and that's a bad effect on there. And increase in diagnosis, psychiatric disorders, and intellectual disabilities. There are bad effects on their mind, and eyes weakness is increasing day by day in this generation. We are seeing the people they wear glasses. Examples of Generation Z people. We have an example of Generation Z. She is named Emma, and she was born in 2002. And traits about her: grow up with smartphones and social media. We know generation they are growing up with technology, and attended school during the COVID-19 pandemic and experienced online learning. During the COVID-19, we were experiencing the online studying, values health and social causes. She is caring about health and social causes, likely to use platforms like Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube. Mostly teenagers, they are using these platforms. Career focused and prefers flexible work environments. She is caring about this point. We have another example, but this example is bad effects on screens. His name is Jog, and he was born in 2001, and his traits spends excessive time online, leading to poor sleep and concentration. he is sleeping late, and this is a bad effect on him. Struggles with anxiety and depression, but hasn't sought help. Some people, they don't have any people that's caring about him, about their lacks digital literacy for the workplace despite growing up with technology. He is growing up with technology, but it doesn't mean that he know about technologies well. Faces difficulty finding stable employment due to underdeveloped soft skills. And we have a picture that's about the generations. Extra information about generations. This image shows the 3 recent generations and their birth years. This is a generation Y, and this is a generation Z, and generation Alpha. Generation Y also, they were born between 1918 and 1994, and Generation Z, they were born 1995 and 2009. And Generation Alpha, this is a newest generation that we have, is born that between 2010 and 2024. And each of these generations has grown up with very different experience, especially in terms of technology, education, and social trends. And we have a question for you. Are you happy to be one of this generation, and why?
We are generation Alpha here.
Yes.
Most of them are. Yeah. Most of them are.
We are Alpha here. Raise hands if you are generation Alpha.
Answer me, please.
Are you happy with your generation? Are you happy that you're Alpha generation? Are you? Why kind of? Are you using all the platforms? Instagram, Snapchat, these social media?
They all have accounts on platforms. They can use the platform spirit and message. Is that right? Then why don't you say anything?
Who wishes to be in
silent?
Generation Z? For example, have you ever wished to be in Generation Z?
Yes.
You do? Great. Who
Yes.
else? Besides that, you wish to be with Generation Alpha?
No.
Right now, you are getting old.
I'm Generation Z.
Great.
Okay. Thank you for listening. I appreciate the opportunity to speak with you today.
A big clap.